Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Will and this is the Hemi YouTube channel. So today, a kind of random video. I'm over here at my local Ram dealership. I'm getting my TRX service. This is Arrigo, where I purchased all of my FCA products, everything, you know, Jeeps, Rams, Alpha, everything. It's been through Arrigo. So over here, this is actually the first one that I've seen. I have a 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel right behind me, right there. So this, like I said, this is the first one that I've seen in person. And if you've been with my channel for a while, you'll know that I actually started my channel with a 4th gen Rebel, which is black. And honestly, it's very, very similar to this spec right here. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and just kind of give you a quick walkthrough of this new 2023 Rebel. So like I mentioned, 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel. Obviously it's a 4th gen since it's a 2023. And as you can see, it's black, and this really reminds me of my old Rebel. I even have like the Ram boxes back here like my Rebel had. It has the bed utility group, as you can see here. It doesn't have the spray and bed liner, but no, not too bad. Obviously the standard tailgate, Rebel 4x4. So really this is checking more or less all the boxes that my old Rebel had. Obviously my old Rebel had the air suspension, but they got rid of that. And now I believe it's an option. Interior wise, got the standard interior. Honestly, it's like the exact same interior as kind of like my Ram TRXs, as far as like the actual trim and the black and red with the cloth insert in the middle here. Obviously the center console is a little bit different because you still get the dial shifter. The GTs, I believe, have the center console shifter like the TRX, but inside here, more or less exactly the same. You still get the little schematic down here. You get this little feature here. Interior, still exactly the same. No sunroof on this. Let's go ahead. So you can see up here, even up here, you got the full 12-inch screen. You don't get like the aux switches like you get in the TRX, but you know, all in all, very, very similar to the base model interior for the TRX. So let's go ahead and check out the back. As you can see, black and red, pretty much identical to my TRX. Just a quick overview of the back. Now, the best thing in my opinion that the 2023s offer, and I'm honestly super jealous of this because my wife has this in her new Maserati, and that is the full digital dash. Now, I don't have the keys, so I can't turn that on for you, but as you can see, it's a full digital dash up there. Super jealous of that. I really, 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 really hope I'm gonna be able to retrofit this into my TRX, but you know, we'll see. Steering wheel up here, obviously Rebel branded, all of that. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. No one's helping me, but no one's really stopped me at this point from checking this out, so might as well just check it out. As you can see, 5.7 Hemi, nice and tidy underneath here. I believe this might be the E-Manage, since or the E-Torque, whatever they call it, that whole unit right there. So that's pretty cool. Does it say anything up here? Yeah, E-Torque. So I figured it was, but yeah, just want to do a quick little walk around. I believe this is another one right over here. I don't know if this is a 2023 or not, but yeah, it is 2023. And interior, more or less the same on this one as well. So you got a black one and a white one here. And as you can see, interiors basically the exact same. This one has the spray and bed liner. And yeah, sticker price, man. Starts at 57 with options, 66,000. I believe this one is about the same as well. So let me go ahead. Yeah, I mean, you can check this out right here. 66 grand for a freaking Rebel, man. I paid 72 for my TRX, just to put that into perspective. So yeah, these prices have definitely gone up quite a bit. Oh, even look at that, 69 with the options. I didn't even see this little Arrigo shit over here. Sprayed bed liner, they're charging $700 for that. It doesn't even have a spray and bed liner. 3 grand for a Rego Advantage, so basically 3 grand in bullshit. So yeah, man, the prices on these trucks are getting pretty expensive. Now, you do get a lot for your money, so I mean, take it for what it is. They are absolutely great trucks. These things are like luxury vehicles at this point, but damn, 70 grand. That's literally 2 grand less than what I paid for my TRX when I got it. Now, granted, the TRX, you're not picking up a brand new TRX for 72,000 anymore. Those things, if I was to order the exact same truck as what mine is now, it would be about 84 grand, because I have thought about getting a new one. But I would literally be spending $12,000 more for the exact same truck, but obviously just being 2 years newer. But yeah, man, 70 grand for a Rebel now at this point. Let me see. Yeah, they haven't added the little additional window sticker on this one, but yeah, I can imagine this one's going to be about 70 grand too, because it's pretty much the exact same truck. Ram boxes and everything, they've gone ahead and sprayed the bed liner in on this one, where this one hasn't been sprayed yet. But yeah, just thought I'd go ahead and make a quick video for you guys here, since, you know, the Rebel is near and dear to my heart. I absolutely love these trucks. I grew my channel. I created my channel on the back of my Ram Rebel. So yeah, guys, just thought I'd go ahead and give you a quick little rundown of this one I see right here. For comparison's sake, let's just go ahead and compare it to a non-Rebel. So this is a Bighorn Crew Cab 2x4, 2023. It doesn't have a digital dash, so that's kind of weird to me. Maybe they're only on higher trims, but even so, said and done, this one 59.8. So basically, let's just call it 60 grand. So to jump into the Rebel, you're looking to spend about 10,000 more, because they're more or less the same thing. This one is even 1,500 with the e-torque, so you're going to be paying 10,000 more for the Rebel trim and, you know, the digital dash and stuff like that.